Have you ever wondered what is the true and real secret to success? I will assure you it's just one word, one simple action, and it will ensure success. Stick around, I'll tell you all about it.
The real Daddy Talk. The real Daddy Talk.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl, The Real Teddy Talks, educating you on entrepreneurship, your hustle and your grind, and building generational wealth. Those of you that have been watching me for a while notice I've taken out the every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday off of my speech in the beginning, and that's because I cannot guarantee it'll be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, because business is picking up. So this is a good problem to have, but I assure you I will put out as many videos as I can, at least 3 videos a week, so stay tuned. And that leads me to the topic of today's video, which is what is the one thing you can do to ensure success? I feel like I've discovered it, I've always known it, but now I'm going to talk about it, and that is persistence. And if you don't like the word persistence, let's say consistency. They are one and one is them, all right? Staying consistent will ensure success. Now there's a caveat to that statement. Your consistency has to be towards a good goal. If you're consistently lazy, then you're not going to reach your goal. But if you're consistently hustling, grinding, and doing your thing, you will reach your goal. Let me tell you, for example, in life, if you're trying to be healthy, you need to be consistent with your exercise. Whether it's a hard workout or a soft workout, you need to be moving forward and exercising. And if you fail at something, fail forward. Meaning you don't stop, meaning you don't go back. It means you failed and you keep going. If you want to build wealth, you have to consistently be investing. That is $50 a week, $100 a week, $250 a month, $500 a month, $1,000 a month. You have to set it up. And what's the best friend of consistency? It's automation. Automating processes make it even better and even more successful in your consistency, especially when we're talking about wealth building, for instance. So there are times when I have set up automatic transfers from my bank account to my trading account. This is for my stock trading. And I did that so there's always money in there when I want to make a trade. You can set up automatic buys. You can say you want to buy this stock at this price on this day. You can do that so you don't have to think about it. You know why? Because time is your enemy. We all are doing 1,000 things usually, and that sucks your time. And you don't have time to do the things you really need to do, which is log onto your brokerage account and make that trade. Log onto your cryptocurrency exchange and buy that thing or sell that thing, and make those trades. Going into your account, buying that mutual fund. If you're not automating your percentage in your 401k or your retirement account, it's not going to happen. You're like, no, I want my money. I want to touch my money. So you get your money in your account and you think you're going to magically on every Friday, make these trades, and it's not going to happen. I have lost out tens of thousands of dollars by not automating my investing strategy and my wealth building. Don't let that be you. Let this 40-year-old me tell you that while you're young, max out your retirement matching with your company. While you're young, automate saving at a minimum $500 a month. And I know that sounds like a lot because some of y'all don't make a lot of money, but maximize what you can save when you can save it. It gets easier as you get older. It gets easier as you make more money, and then it doesn't hurt as much. But when you're just saving like $50 a month, it feels good. That $600 at the end of the month, you're like, oh, I've done something. But in the long run, if you would have upped that to $250, $300, $500, by the time, if you start doing that at 20, by the time you're 30, you'll already have probably $100,000. And then it just snowballs from there. So you have to automate your savings, and don't be lazy and don't think you'll have time, because you will not have time. Time is your enemy. If you're looking to be a long-term investor, it's best to automate your investing as well. Why? Because the market can be turbulent. Cryptocurrency, for example, is very turbulent. It's very volatile. And if you let your emotions get involved, you're going to say, nope, I'll wait till it dips. Or no, I'll wait till next week and take a look at it again. I'll wait till Bitcoin gets to 35,000 or 30,000. There are no guarantees with any of that. So meanwhile, while you're waiting, you're missing out on money. If you look at Bitcoin in the last 2 months, it's had significant drops and it's also had significant gains. During that gains time, depending on how much you made, you could have easily made 5, 10, 15% in 2 months. See, people don't understand when you look at it, when you look at CoinMarketCap and you see growth, let me pull it up right now, let me see. And you see growth, let me refresh my screen. In the last 7 days, Bitcoin has increased 27%. So if you bought the dip at $100, between 7 days ago and today, you would have made $27. Let me tell you where you're not gonna get that. You're not gonna get that in the stock market. You're probably not gonna get that playing the lotto. You're probably not gonna get that at Vegas, all right? But you will get that with cryptocurrency. 27% in 7 days. Ethereum, almost 8% in 7 days. Binance, BNB, almost 12% in 7 days. Those are gains you don't get anywhere else. So while people are talking crap about crypto, if you do it right, if you buy every single dip, you will make a gain every time until we hit the bear cycle. Now that's one time you'd invest and you probably won't get your gains right away. You might not get it to the next cycle, but that ain't here yet. Right now, we're still popping. It's on and popping and cracking. So you should be investing. There's nowhere else you're making a 27% gain in 1 week. So stop listening to people, stop reading titles of headlines, and start doing your own analysis. Pick up CoinMarketCap, hit them numbers, start reading those charts, and I don't mean reading the candlesticks. I'm saying pull up the homepage of CoinMarketCap, look at Bitcoin, look at the current price, look at the 24-hour gain or loss, look at the 7-day gain or loss, and look at that graph at the end. That tells you everything you need to know about investing in cryptocurrency. Don't let anyone else distract you from those numbers. Then do more research so you can understand it. Buy my course, get the details in the description box so you can understand how to invest and what that means. Don't let nobody else make you miss out on your gains. Persistence and consistency is your avenue. It's your ingredient for success, I promise you. Those of you that aren't familiar with the 365-day exit strategy, it's my concept, it's my idea coming to fruition. Is how I'm going to leave my corporate job and exchange for my side hustles, which I didn't feel comfortable doing until I matched my 6-figure income with my current job and my side hustles. I've been grinding at this for about 7 months, and it wasn't until the last 30 days that I finally matched 1 month of my corporate salary to my side hustles. So it took me almost half a year to finally match my income with my side hustle income. And I know it's nowhere to go but up from there. But I grinded out for 6 to 7 months until that happens. So don't get discouraged. Fight on. Be great. Invest in yourself just 1% a day and reach your exponential greatness and have phenomenal results at the end of any given year. This is the Real Teddy Talks, signing off.